Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to send a DM on Twitter. Welcome to another how to search tutorial video. So sending a DM on Twitter is actually very easy. It's just confusing sometimes because the DM option is not showing. Let me tell you why that is. One thing to make sure of in order to send someone a DM on your Twitter account is to make sure that you're following each other. You need to be following that person, and that person needs to be following you. Another thing to consider is when you actually go to your Twitter settings and then go ahead and click on privacy and safety. Once you're there, go ahead and click on direct messages. From here, you will be receiving options or you'll see options on how to manage your direct messages. Either you can set them up to receive DMs from everyone or just people you follow and vice versa. So basically, as you can see, I do have my allow message requests from everyone turned on. So that means that anyone who goes to my profile can send me a DM. Now, if the person that you're trying to send a DM doesn't have this turned on and you're not following them or you're not following each other, then what's going to happen is that you won't be able to send them a message or a DM or a direct message. So that's one thing to consider, and we don't really have any control over it. Now, if you do want to know how to send a DM or direct message on Twitter, all you have to do is to go to that user's profile. So let's say I'll go to my friend's profile here. All I have to do is click on the message icon right beside the notification bell icon. So when I click on that, it will automatically take me to our chat box or message box, and I can send her or them a DM here. Now, what you can do also as well is go ahead and search for a person that you do want to DM and then check if you're able to send them a message. So for example, here I can also send them a message by clicking on the message icon or the direct message icon. Now, if we try to search, for example, this account, since they're not following me back, but I am following them, I won't be able to send them a direct message because we need to be following each other, and their settings may not have been turned on for allowing message requests from anyone. So that's really one thing to consider. And that's basically it. That's how you send a direct message on Twitter. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Again, this is how to search, and see you on the next one. Peace.